Hi, good day everyone. Today I'm gonna share you the lesson all about pangalan in Filipino and noun in English. Now, ano nga ba ang pangalan sa English? So, pangalan in English is noun. Now, ano ang ibig sabihin ng pangalan? Or what do you mean by noun? So, ang pangalan ay tawag ng ngalan ng tao, bagay, hayop, pook at mga pangyayari. In English, noun is a name of a person, place, things, animals, or events. Okay, again, pangalan in Filipino, noun in English. Now, we will be focusing on the meaning of pangalan or kahulugan ng pangalan. So as what I've said a while ago, when we say pangalan, ito ay tawag ng ngalan ng tao, then ngalan ng bagay, then ngalan ng hayop, then ngalan ng puok o lugar, at ngalan ng mga pangyayari. So that is pangalan in Filipino. In English, that is name of person, things or objects, animals, place, or events. So tao in Filipino, in English, that is person. Again, tao means person in English. Bagay means things or objects in English. Hayop in Filipino, animals in English. It could be animal when it is singular, animals in plural. Buok o lugar in Filipino, place in English. Pangyayari in Filipino, events in English. Now, I have here some examples or mga halimbawa ng katawagan ng pamilyang Filipino. Okay? So these are the names that you can use to call when you are belong to a Filipino family. So first, let's say bata. So bata in Filipino, in English, that is young person, a child boy or a child girl. So that is bata. Matanda. Okay? Matanda in Filipino, in English, that is old person that refers to all genders. It could be a woman or a man. So old person in English, that is mean matanda in Filipino. Ate. When you say ate in Filipino, in English, that is your elder or eldest sister. It could be your elder or eldest sister. Kuya, it means elder brother or eldest brother. Kapatid, again, kapatid, it means brother or sister. So kapatid refers in English to all gender. It could be a girl or a boy, a woman or a man. So kapatid in general, it means brother or sister. Nanay, nanay. Okay, in Filipino, nanay as pangalan, halimbawa ng isang pangalan. Noun is called mother or mom. Okay, so mother, mom in English or noun. Then nanay in pangalan in Filipino. Tatay. Tatay in Filipino bilang halimbawa ng pangalan. and a noun, or in English, that is father, dad, or daddy. Lolo in Filipino, lolo, that is grandfather in English. Isang halimbawa ng noun. So grandfather is one of the examples of a noun. Lola, lola in Filipino bilang halimbawa ng pangalan. Grandfather, grandmother in English as an example of a noun. So again, pangalan in Filipino, noun in English. So hope you guys, you'll be learning a lot from this video, and I hope to watch you some coming soon videos in this channel. So thank you so much guys for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.